A very good afternoon, my respected teacher and all friends. Myself Janab Khatun. Now I am going to discuss about health talk on welfare services for challenged children in India. At first, contents. I will further discuss about the introduction, types, child welfare agencies, activities of the agencies, welfare services, summary, conclusion, and bibliography. At first, introduction. Child welfare services involve preventive, promotive, curative, developmental, palliative, and rehabilitative aspects of child care. Attention is generally focused on three categories of children in the poor socio-economic groups, that is, children of working mothers, destitute children, and handicapped children. Government of India adopted national policy for children in August 1974, keeping in view the constitutional provisions in and United Nations Declaration of the Rights of the Children. Then, types of welfare services. Comprehensive child welfare services are provided broadly of two types. At first, services for the basic needs of normal children where the family and the community participate, and then services for the needs of physically, mentally, or socially handicapped children. Then, child welfare agencies. The important child welfare agencies in India are Indian Council for Children Welfare, that is ICCW, and second one is Central Social Welfare Board, then Kasturba Gandhi Memorial Trust, then the Indian Red Cross Society. These voluntary health agencies is get financial aid from the government to organize child welfare services in the country. Then, activities of the agencies. The important activities of these agencies include the following. At first, daycare services for children of working mothers through nursery schools, balwadis, then crèches and daycare centers for infants and toddlers. Then holding homes for children in the age group 12 to 16 years at hill stations and seaside resorts. Then the last activities of the agencies is recreation facilities by organization of play centers, public parks, children's library, then children's films, national museums, hobby classes, etc. Then welfare services. The following schemes are being implemented by the government for welfare of persons with disabilities. At first, Deen Dayal Disability Rehabilitation Scheme, that is DDRS. Schemes are under this scheme for the welfare of children with disabilities are provided to the non-governmental organizations for projects like special school for disabled, vocational training centers, halfway homes, community-based rehabilitation centers, early intervention centers for disabled, rehabilitation for leprosy cured persons. Then the second welfare services is assistance to disabled person for purchase fitting of aids and appliances, that is ADIP. Under this scheme, aids or appliances are distributed to the needy persons with disabilities, which include mentally challenged children also. Then third one is national institution. The ministry support 7 autonomous national institutions which provide rehabilitation services and undertake manpower development with the overall objective of providing rehabilitation services for different types of disabilities. Then fourth one is a scheme for implementation of persons with disabilities, equal opportunities, protection of rights, and full participation act 1995, that is SIPDA. Under this scheme, assistance is provided for setting up of district disabilities rehabilitation centers, regional rehabilitation centers, creating barriers free environment in public buildings and awareness generation, etc. Then fifth one is the National Handicap Finance and Development Corporation. The corporation provides concessional credit to persons with disabilities for setting up income generating activities for self-employment. Then sixth one is scheme for incentives to employers in the private sector for providing employment to persons with disabilities. Under this scheme, launched in April 2008, the Government of India provides the employers contribution for employee provident fund, that is EPF, and employer state insurance, that is ESI, for 3 years for persons with disabilities employed in the private sector or on after 1/4/2008 with a monthly salary up to 25,000. Then summary. Today I have discussed about the various welfare services for challenged children in India. Then the types of welfare services. Then child welfare agencies, that is Indian Council for Child Welfare, Central Social Welfare Board, Kasturba Gandhi Memorial Trust, the Indian Red Cross Society, and I have also discussed about the activities of the agencies and various welfare services, that is Deen Dayal Disability Rehabilitation Scheme, DDRS, assistance to disabled person for purchases and fitting of aids and appliances, that is ADIP, and national institutions and the National the Handicap Finance and Development Corporation, and schemes for implementation of persons with disabilities, that is Equal Opportunities Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995, that is SIPDA, and scheme for incentives to employers in the private sector for providing employment to persons with disabilities. Here is the bibliography where I have written this topic. Yes, doc. And thank you so much.